Good morning, children. Today let's see, check yourself. Okay, this is the one you are going to do as homework. So check yourself. We will see. This is on page number 88. First is a multiple choice question. So this is easy only. Nothing is difficult. The numbers which are to be added are called. They are called what? Addends. Again, when grouping of 3 or more numbers is changed, the sum. What will happen to the sum when you change the group of the numbers, no? And if you add, what will happen? The sum will remains the same, no? It does not change, okay? So it remains the same. When 63,500 is to be rounded off to the nearest thousands, we can write it as, how we can write it as? You have to round off to the nearest thousand. So to round off to the nearest thousand, what you have to do? This number you will, thousands place you will circle. And you will observe the number on the right side is 5. If it is 5 and equal to 5, then you will add 1, isn't it? So if you add 1 here, it will be 4. So it will be now 64,000. So remaining will be 0. So 64,000. So this is the answer. 64,000 is the answer. Again, here fill in the blanks. So this one I am not going to say the answer. You know, when you add 0, the sum is the number itself. So the answer will be only this number. Again, to add 10, what you will do? In tens place, you have to add 1. So in tens place, here 6 is there. So if you add 1, it will be 7. So all the other digit will remain the same. Again, to add 100. To add 100, what you will do? In hundreds place, you will add 1. But here there will be a change. You have to be careful. So if you add here 1, so it will be 10, isn't it? So 10, if you cannot write 10 here. So 0 you will write, that 1 you will carry here. Again, this will be 10. So again 0. Then here if you add 1, that 1 you have to carry here. So 9 plus 1, 10. Again 10 since you have got, again you will carry here 1. So 5 plus 1, 6. And here this 6 and 3 will remain the same. So the answer will be 600,600,063. This is the answer. That means 60,63,000. Okay, now here to add 1000, you will add 1 in thousands place. Okay, so this is easy only. This you can do. Next one, here already arranged in column and given. Just you have to add and write only. And here the fourth one. This is given. Arrange in columns and add. So arrange in columns and add. If it is given, you will arrange like this in columns. All these 3 numbers. No, whatever is there, you will arrange in columns. Then you will add. Suppose if it is not given, arrange in columns and add if it is given. That time also you will do like this only. I have seen in the homework, many of you have written only the answer. You did not even arrange them in column. Okay, you have to arrange in column and add. Next, problem solving. So it is easy only. See, the cost of land is 84,753 rupees and the cost of construction is rupees 13,616. Find the total expenditure. So here total is coming. So this is the keyword for addition. So always you mark and learn so that it will be easy for you in the examination. Again, next one. Add the largest 5-digit number to the largest 6-digit number. So you have to add. Add means here also you will do the plus. Now you must know largest 5-digit number. Largest 5-digit number. So largest number only means only 9 will come. Since it is 5 digits, so 5, 9. 9, 9, 9. 9, 9. So 5, 9. So that is largest 5-digit number is 99,999. Again here largest 6-digit number. Since it is 6-digit number and largest, so largest means 9 will come. 6-digit number, so 6, 9 will come. So it will be 999. So how do you read? 9,99,999. So these two you have to add. But you have to write the statement. Okay, first you will write largest. First you write the which has a more number of digits. No, then it will be easy for you. Largest 6-digit number equal to this one. Again, largest 5-digit number equal to this one. Then sum equal to add and write. Okay, statement you have to write. Without statement, don't write the problems. Again, C1. The number of tourists visiting Shimla in 3 months are as follows. May 17,641, June 36,450, July 10,843. How many people visited Shimla in all? So in all, this is the keyword for addition. So you will add and write. First you write the heading, the number of tourists visiting Shimla. Okay, then you write May equal to this much, June equal to this much, July equal to this much. So number of people visited Shimla in all equal to, add and write all these three. So you have to arrange them in column, and all things should be in digits should be arranged in order. Okay, next one, mental maths. Mental maths is just opposite of this fill in the blanks, what we have done. It is just opposite that only. There it was 0 and 10 were given, so you added and returned. But here it is not given. You have to find whether 0, 10, 1, which one will come, that you have to find out. See, you have to observe here, one addend and sum is given, so both you observe. So where is the change is here? Here 5 in one's place, here 6 in one's place. So since one's place is changed, so you have to find how many change, only that you write. So 5 and how much it is increased, 1 is increased. So 1 only will be the answer. Again, next one you see, the 3366, 3466. And here you see the change. Where is the change? It is in hundreds place. The change is in hundreds place. All other digits remains the same. So how many changes are there? 3 and here 4. Only 1 is increased, isn't it? So 1 is increased and this is in hundreds place, so 100. Okay, next one. See, 100 is given. You have to find the addend now, one of the other addend. So here plus 100. So what you have to do? Hundreds place, you have to now minus 1 and write. To find the sum, you are adding 1 now. To find the addend, you minus 1 and write. So if you minus 1, 3 minus 1, you will get 2. So remaining digit will remain the same. So thousands place will remain the same. Tens place will remain the same. Ones place will remain the same. Only the change will be in hundreds place. Again, here, where is the change is here? Here 4 and here 5. Tens place there is a change is here. So how much change? 4 and 5. Only one change is there, and since it is tens place, so it is 10. Again here if you observe, the change is in thousands place. Thousands place. So how much change is there? 1 and 2. Only one is different. And since it is thousands place, so 1000 is the answer. Suppose if 2 change is there, if it is decreasing 2, then you have to write 2 and it will be 2000. Understand? If it is 4, then you have to write 4000. That's all. And this one I will not answer. Same like here. Okay, observe and do. All the other answer I have given. So this one you do by yourself. Like this one. This E1 you have to do the F1. Okay, now here you have to find the approximate of value of 5100. Which will become the approximate value of 5100, you have to find out. See, 5100. So 100, no, so it has becoming 100. So you have to observe the number in tens place. And if the tens place is above, if it is equal to 5 and above 5, then it will be 5100 in approximate value. Okay, so here in tens place, what is there? 8 is there. So since it is above 5, so this will be surely 5100. Okay, and if you observe here in tens place, 0 is here, isn't it? 0 is here, so what you will do here, you will not make any change. So this will remain the same, isn't it? Since here 1 is there. So this also will be the approximate value of 5100. Again, here also, if you observe here, it is above 8. So if it is above 8, then here you have to plus 1. So if you plus 1, so it will be 10, and here 1 you will carry here, 4 plus 1, 5. So it will be 5000. So this cannot be. Okay, this last one I will leave it. You can do it by yourself. And if you see here, 4 is here in tens place. So 4 is smaller than 5. So you will not make any change. So this one you will write as it is, and this will become 0, no? So 5100 you will get. Since it is 4, you will not make change here in this one. So it will remain. So this is also approximate value of 5100. But if you see here, it is above 5. Since it is above 5, here you will add 1. So 1 plus 1, it will become 2. We need only 1, no? So this cannot be. Okay, so all other 3 you observe and write. Okay, thank you.